As a YouTube small creators, I think what we actually be running through our mind is how can we get our videos to get views? How can we get subscribers? But I'm telling you today, it is very, very, pertinent, and let me say it is quite something that is natural. That anytime we created a new YouTube channel and also publish a new video on this our new YouTube channel, we are expected to get low views and also low subscribers, because the YouTube algorithm has yet to identify the kind of content you are making and your channel, what it's meant for. So we need to give time for the YouTube algorithm to discover our channel. But for it to discover our channel, there are some settings we actually need to turn on our channel, and equally while uploading our videos. So this is something I actually want to share with you today. But I'm advising you, if you have already started your channel and you are getting views, I will say do not change what actually works for you. Yes, do not change what works for you. But as a small creator, you are still struggling of getting views. Anytime you uploaded your videos, you are still, you don't get a lot of views. So I think you need to turn these settings on. The first thing I want you to do is your channel keywords. Your channel keywords is very, very important. The first keywords on your channel should be the name of your channel, and any other keywords should be the way people are searching the kind of content you have made. Yes, so this is the way you can possibly get your channel to be visible at the YouTube search, because if your videos can be discovered at the YouTube search, it shows that your videos can be shown to large amount of audience. Equally on the Google, yes, your videos will be ranked on the Google. Anytime people go to the Google to search the kind of content you have made, your video can be possibly be recommended to them. So that's why it is quite possible for you to get your channel to be visible at the YouTube search. You know how many people are searching videos, and your videos, if your channel is not visible to them, how do you want to get views? So always ensure this settings is correctly input. So the first keyword should be the name of your channel. Any other keyword should be related with the kind of content you are making. Now another thing is your country of residence. Yes, your residential area. Always ensure you input your own country, where you are residing, where you can get the document, because after you have monetized, you'll be required to fill in this form, and you need to get the document from your country. So do not make this mistake. Another thing is your audience. This audience is very, very important. Do you actually want to set your channel to made for kids or not made for kids? These are the options given to you by YouTube. So I will say set your channel to not made for kids, because your channel will not be restricted to any specific audience. But when you set it to made for kids, it is only kids that will be watching your channel and not adult. So that's why I would say do not set your channel to made for kids. Set it to not made for kids. That's another way for you to get your videos to large amount of audience. People from Google will actually get to watch your videos. Just imagine. Now another thing I actually want to do is while uploading your videos, it is very, very important for you to embed another video into your videos. These are the settings you need to turn on, because well, just take for an example, one of your videos just go viral, because this is how YouTube actually works. Yes, one of your videos just go viral, and while other people are watching that videos, that video is suggesting another videos which you have embedded into that videos. Do you see how quite possible you can get views? You can get views, yes, when your videos that has currently gone viral is suggesting another videos from your channel to these viewers. That's how you generate views. These are some of the settings you need to be doing. Always embed another videos into your videos while uploading your current videos. This is another way, and this is another settings you can possibly turn on while uploading your videos. Now another thing is short remix. Yes, short remix is when you remix, or let me say when you strip out a short videos out of your long form videos. Yes, it's another way of getting views. Yes, when you strip out the most important place and you publish it under your short, when people watch it, they will actually want to understand the full details of this short. So they will actually visit your channel and watch the whole long form videos. So this is another way for you to generate views. Yes, these are some of the settings you are making. When you set your channel to do not allow other creators to make short remix from my content, you are getting it wrong. Yes, you are getting it wrong. As far as they actually make use of your content educationally and profitably. So I would say allow other creators to make a short remix from your content. Now category is quite very, very important, because when you uploaded your videos and you don't categorize it based on the kind of your specific niche. The YouTube algorithm will just be saying, who are the audience of this content? Who should I show it to? Just imagine when you don't categorize your channel under your specific niche. How do you want to get lot of views, ton of views? Category is quite very, very important. Now, the one settings I actually want you to understand is, do you actually want your current video to be published under subscription feeds? Those people who subscribe to your channel, this is the settings you need to turn off. I said turn it off if you are getting low views on your videos. But if your videos are getting views, I'm telling you, leave it. It shows that it actually works for you. The reason why I'm saying this is, YouTube algorithm knows channel very well. They know that this channel, they actually want to test it whether it's going to stay or the owner is going to give up, because not everybody that created a YouTube channel can possibly continue improving their channel. So it will take time for the YouTube to actually wait and know the kind of audience for this. But if you said it should publish your video under subscription feed, only the few people that actually subscribe to your channel, they will be the one to first get your content. Yes, once you click on publish, it will publish on their notification bar. So quite possible they will watch it, and other people will just find it very hard. They will just turn it away, wipe it away. And this can possibly affect your videos. Yes, when those people who subscribe, these few people that are subscribed, when they see the notification and they wipe it away, it's going to affect your video. It shows that they don't come back to watch your videos. But when you allow the video to go viral on its own, you don't publish it under their subscription feed, and you allow it to YouTube to take it over the world, take it to different kind of audience, and they watch it. And then these people are new viewers. So when you click these settings, I think you are telling YouTube that, okay, take my content to different kind of audience, and for now you only have a few subscriptions. So I think this is the advice I'm going to give you. Uncheck it, but if it actually works for you, if people are watching your videos and those who has currently subscribed, I think you just need to leave these settings alone and do not unclick it. Now, another way for you to build your channel is your channel descriptions. I'm saying channel description is very, very important. Always ensure you write a channel descriptions, what your channel is all about, under the about channel, so that yes, the YouTube algorithm will possibly know the kind of content you are making, and audience actually check channel description to know how you write your descriptions and what your channel is all about. So I think this is the kind of settings you need to turn on right now. You are still getting low views on your video. So if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, make a comment. Thank you guys.
Yeah.